We'll guide you through how to delete your Streamlabs account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Streamlabs website. Log in with your account details if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. You'll be directed to a new page. On the left side of this page, you'll notice several options. Scroll down and click on General. In this section, if you would like to delete your account, please click here. Click on it. Streamlabs will ask you to confirm your decision, as this action is irreversible. Make sure you're certain about deleting your account because once it's gone, you won't be able to recover any data. If you're sure, confirm the deletion by following the prompts. You might need to enter your password again for security reasons. Once you've confirmed, your account will be permanently deleted. Remember that this action cannot be undone, so double-check that this is really what you want to do. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.